In this video, we're going to talk about production possibilities frontier or production possibilities curve. So economics is the study of courses. And if you're faced with two different options, which choice will you choose? Right? So we've talked a lot about economic surplus, cost-benefit analysis, and you're always going to choose the choice that gives you the most economic surplus. Let's assume that you're attending a party, and to attend the party, you're in charge of bringing desserts. But you only have ingredients to make cake or cookies. So we put here a table together of how many cookies or how many cakes you can make since the party is tonight. This is the total value of desserts you can make. So here, given this, what is the opportunity cost of one cake? So let's assume we started at 10 cakes and we're going to give up one cake. The opportunity cost here is 12 cookies. We gain 12 cookies, right? We go from 12, 0 up to 12, so 12 minus 0 is 12 cookies for one cake. We can also plot this on a graph. This graph will be known as the production possibility frontier. So here we have cakes on our y-axis, cookies on our x-axis. We have 10 cakes and 0 cookies. We put a dot right there. We move on up the chart a little bit. If we give up one cake, we get 12 cookies, right? So we've given up one cake, moved down, and we moved out 12 cookies for that plot. We can go ahead and plot all of these points on the same graph. We get our production possibility frontier. It looks just like that. Okay? Now, all the points on the graph, say right here is point A, where we have 10 cakes and 0 cookies. This point is efficient because it is on our line. Okay, so at every point on our line, point A, point B, point C, any of the points on the line are considered efficient. We'll produce 10 cakes and 0 cookies. That's efficient. That's an efficient use of our resources. We produce 5 cakes and 60 cookies at point B. That's an efficient use of resources. And at point C, if we produce all cookies, 120 of them, and 0 cakes, that's an efficient use of resources. Point D in here, where we have 4 cakes and 40 cookies, that's an inefficient use of our resources. So this point is inefficient. See, if we made 4 cakes, we could actually come all the way over here and make 72 cookies. Or if we made 40 cookies, we could come all the way up here and make about 6.5 cakes. Okay? So this point is inefficient. We could be using our resources in a different way and actually get out here onto the efficient points on our PPF. We also have out here point E, unattainable points. Okay? We would like to produce at point E, but we can't. That's not attainable. If we're going to make 8 cakes, the most cookies we can make is 24. And if we want to make 80 cookies, the most cakes we can make is 3. Okay? So we can't make 80 cookies and 8 cakes. That point is unattainable. It is not possible to make those points. Okay? So from this video, we have the idea of what a PPF is. We have point A, B, and C are all efficient. Point D is inefficient. And point E is unattainable or not possible.